Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and my name is Forex, and in this video I'll be doing complete raw price action reading as usual for this coming week of August 2025. This is the last phase of the month of August, and this month market has been a little bit fractal so far. What do I mean by being fractal? It means that the month of August is a pure consolidation month, but in order to prepare, if you can maintain the inconsistency of market movement in August, it means that September is going to make sense than usual. So what is going on in the market this morning? And this is new week, and all traders are expectant of picking buy and sell button. There is just something I want to share with you guys in this analysis. This is 4-hour time frame, and this is GBPJPY. And what is happening here so far? There are two things that you need to understand that I am seeing right now. The number one thing is confluence in chart patterns. In this 4-hour time frame now, when you check this is massive inverse head and shoulder chart patterns in 4-hour time frame. So which means that from chart patterns perspective, they are looking for buy. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. So which means that chart patterns trader are looking for buy. Apart from inverse head and shoulder chart pattern, another chart pattern that also is displaying itself as another sign of bullish signal is symmetric triangle. Let me pull it out for you so that you can see. So market has been doing higher, low. A symmetric triangle. Market was perfect before it entered. Immediately market came to this key level, then there was a level of contraction. Market was contracting at this key level, and right now here we have. So if this market can break out of here and do a level of retest somewhere around here, that would be a good buying signal. And the reason why I said market needs to break here and come and retest, sell it somewhere around here and here is this: market can decide to touch this key level and drop it massively. It has happened before, because one of the characteristics of symmetric triangle, they are bilateral triangles. What does it mean? They can sell and they can buy. They are not holy grail, not like head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder simply means that market is moving from selling side to buying side. Head and shoulder chart patterns means that market is moving from buying side to the selling side. But when it comes to bilateral chart patterns like symmetric triangle, pennants, they are kind of chart patterns that market can buy or sell anytime, any day. So what am I trying to say? As a trader, understanding those chart patterns and what they are telling you will be an advantage to you. So if market can break this key level and retest it again, and the purpose of retest, why we will not just say because market is buying, I want to buy, is because to avoid market manipulation. Because if you do not, if you are a kind of trader that you are impatient enough to let market retest this key level, market can decide to break this key level, come back again, enter, and begins to sell massively. So you need to wait for this setup to retest at this key level. That is, market need to retrace back to this key level from this resistance and turn it to support, because this resistance is extremely effective. It has been resisting the buying side since July 9, 2025. Here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if market can now break it at this key level this coming week and retest, it means that is the massive buying opportunity. And in daily time frame also, what is also happening? In daily time frame also, you can see that this high and higher low has been effective until here. So if this head and shoulder chart patterns play out, it means that throughout the coming month of September, market is going to buy for GBPJPY at least to this key level. Yes, because this space, there's no, like, once market break this last line of defense of resisting, then the next phase is massive buying opportunities. The rest is massive buying opportunities throughout the month of September. Though there will be sell will be there, but the buying side will be massive, because that is the overall directions of the market. And if market break this key level also, it means that GBPJPY is about to enter another zone entirely coming here. So which means that once market breaks this key level, then it means that GBPJPY is going to be massive bullish next year. But for now, let's still say we are still in August 2025, and right now this is what matters to us. So in 4-hour time frame, same thing. In daily time frame, same thing. Chart patterns in confluence together, showing buying and sell. So that is the market expectant for this week. Once market react to this key level by Monday, in the next 48 hours, I will do another video in order to update you guys. Thank you for watching to the end. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.